cool to watch and fun to drive, says Die Welt. The T-Roc could well be a success story, says Top Gear. Volkswagen seems to have found the right formula, says La Stampa. In November, the T-Roc will be introduced to the market. After testing the new compact SUV, many critics have good things to say about their experience. The T-Roc's performance is convincing, which is why test drivers predict it to be a success, confirming Volkswagen's expectations in the new model.
T-Roc is a very emotional car overall for Volkswagen, for the Volkswagen brand. Now I think it comes with a very emotional exterior design, interior with new fresh colors, very attractive color combinations as well, which is a first for Volkswagen. So a very exciting, emotional car for being a Volkswagen.
The T-Roc is made in the Portuguese town of Palmela. Not far from there, in Lisbon, the T-Roc demonstrates its favorite activities: going out for fun and driving in the city. A high seating position, great visibility, and a large interior are its main benefits.
It is basically customers that actually are looking basically like the car itself. Very expressive, self-confident, people are actually active in life. Most of them will be living in urban areas. Basically, it's really like a city carving car. It actually belongs to life. It belongs to a sizzling lifestyle. It's a younger target group, actually feeling younger, so being younger by heart.
With the T-Roc, Volkswagen closes the gap in its range of small, compact SUVs. The T indicates its kinship to the Tiguan and Touareg. As the market for compact SUVs keeps growing, the T-Roc's role is to cut Volkswagen a large piece of that pie.
T-Roc brings all the MQB technology to this segment, so it's a very, from the chassis side, a very precise driving dynamics, very good driving dynamics, and it brings all the driver assistance systems from the MQB, which we know from the Tiguans, from the Golfs, as a first to this segment.
The T-Roc combines the advantages of an SUV with those of a sporty hatchback, and thanks to a team of international designers, it does it all with a completely new, emotional and expressive look.
I think Volkswagen has always had a culture of love to detail, of great technology, of putting everything that we can into those cars. So a great lust for perfection, and you see everything actually built into a T-Roc. But the new generation of Volkswagens are just more expressive. They have a lust for design. I think they have a lust for color. And I think that actually, I think, is a great virtue of new Volkswagen, being a little more outbound, a little more expressive. And this life will continue with the next generation of e-cars starting in 2020.
Volkswagen started taking orders for the new model a few weeks ago. In a very short time, the T-Roc will be out on the roads. And thanks to a large selection of exterior and interior color combinations, each one of them will be individual and an eye-catcher.